Think of your career as a journey that you embark on. Just like any journey, your career path is not always going to be a straight line. There may be times when you feel like you're making progress, and other times when you're not quite sure where you're headed. Sometimes you might encounter roadblocks or detours that force you to change course or take a different path. But just like any journey, these detours and roadblocks can lead to unexpected opportunities and experiences that can help you grow and develop both personally and professionally. What does success in your career mean to you personally? Separate from the expectations and pressures of others, such as parents, peers, or society, who may want you to pursue a particular path based on what they consider to be a success. Having a successful career means that you're happy and fulfilled in your job and that you're achieving your professional goals. Success can look different for everyone, and it's not just about making a lot of money or having a fancy job title. It's about finding work that you enjoy, that challenges you, and that aligns with your values and interests. A successful career allows you to grow and develop professionally, learn new skills, and make a meaningful contribution to society. It also means that you're able to balance your work and personal life so that you can have time for your family, friends, hobbies, and other things that are important to you. Ultimately, a successful career is one that brings you a sense of purpose and fulfillment, and that allows you to make a positive impact on the world around you. Seek job satisfaction and not a job for bragging. Discovering your strengths and interests for career success. When it comes to figuring out your strengths and interests for a successful career, it's common to feel a bit lost or unsure where to start. But don't worry, one helpful approach is to begin by thinking about what you don't enjoy or find fulfilling. Consider the things that you don't enjoy or find challenging. Identifying your dislikes can help you avoid careers or roles that are not a good fit for you and focus on those that align with your strengths and interests. Overall, discovering your strengths and interests involves a process of self-reflection, feedback-seeking, and exploration of different career paths. By understanding your likes and dislikes, you can find a career that brings you satisfaction and fulfillment. How to match strengths and interests to a career path. In today's competitive job market, you need to find your unique value proposition. But don't worry, there are ways to stand out and make yourself an attractive candidate to potential employers. One key strategy is to differentiate yourself by highlighting your unique skills and experiences. This can include showcasing relevant coursework, internships, volunteer work, or extracurricular activities that demonstrate your passion and commitment to a particular field. Networking is also important, as it can help you make valuable connections and gain insights into potential career paths. Consider attending industry events or joining professional organizations to meet people in your desired field and learn about potential job opportunities. Another approach is to continuously improve your skills and knowledge through additional education or training. This can help you stay up to date with the latest industry trends and demonstrate your commitment to personal and professional growth. Finally, remember to be authentic and showcase your unique personality and values. Employers are looking for candidates who are not only qualified, but also a good fit for their company culture. So, be yourself and let your passion and enthusiasm shine through. How to choose the right career. Choosing the right career can be stressful, but it's important to remember that it's a journey full of exploration and discovery. Just like dating, you may have to try a few different jobs before finding the right fit. It's important not to put too much pressure on yourself. Don't be too hard on yourself if you make a mistake or get fired. Getting fired or leaving a job can actually lead you to better opportunities in the future. If you're feeling overwhelmed, try visualizing your dream job and creating a plan to get there. Consider what skills and experiences you need to acquire along the way and explore potential career paths that align with your interests and values. It's also important to remember that sometimes what we think is our dream job may not actually be the best fit for us. So, stay open-minded and be willing to explore different options until you find the right career path for you. One important ingredient for a successful career is courage. It takes courage to seize opportunities and make career pivots without regrets. This means being open to exploring emerging trends and new opportunities. It also means stepping out of your comfort zone and being willing to learn new skills and even explore new countries. By doing this, you can create an exciting and fulfilling career without any regrets. So don't be afraid to take risks and pursue your passions. With the courage to explore and try new things, you can build a career that brings you joy and fulfillment.